This is the WOUB Sports Express for September 15th. I'm Seth Austin. Ohio managed to keep the bell in Athens for a third straight season, taking down the Marshall Thundering Herd 34-31. Tyler Tettleton is now 3 for 3 against Marshall with 745 yards, 7 touchdowns, and no interceptions when playing the boys from Huntington. Frank Solich talks about his appreciation for the battle for the bell.
It is a great rivalry, and both teams play tremendously hard, and I have gained a lot of respect for this rivalry in terms of the kind of football games that have been played since we've been here.
In Gridiron Glory's game of the week, the Athens Bulldogs topped Warren 42-6. The green and gold got their playmakers involved with quarterback Joe Burrow throwing for 219 yards and running back Trey Williams compiling 128 yards on the ground. Athens improves to 3-0 on the year and move on to face the Jackson Ironmen in Week 4. Ohio Volleyball traveled to Bowling Green, Kentucky this weekend to compete in the Western Kentucky Invitational. After blanking UNLV and Western Kentucky, the Cats rallied from being down 0-2 to Virginia to win the Invitational. Freshman Katie Horton was named tournament MVP. Also on the road this weekend was Ohio soccer. The Cats pulled out a victory against the Youngstown State Penguins 1-0 behind junior Liz Finley's goal in the 66th minute. Ohio has now won 4 straight, looking to make it 5 this Friday against Cleveland State. For sports updates, make sure to follow us at WOUB Sports on Twitter, and make sure to check us out on our website at woub.org/sports. This has been the WOUB Sports Express. I'm Seth Austin.